Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. J the Explorer. We heartily welcome you. We are going to do camping. We are going to stay in a tent and we are going to explore that area. So where is that camping site? What is all about this exploration? Do check out this video. Right now we are on Old Pune Mumbai highway started from Panvel, and Mr. J is been accompanied by his friend Mr. Yogesh. So let's start this exploration for camping. So we are now at Lonavala. This place is particularly the waterfall viewpoint and it's very windy. So we are having a short detox break. A warning to the car drivers with low ground clearance. The approach road to the campsite is pretty bad in condition with lots of rocks in between. So be careful while driving on this particular stretch. It compromises approximately 200 to 250 meters. So if you are not sure of driving your car through this rough terrain, it is better to park your car at the entry itself and then walk down with your luggage. The ambience over here is pretty good. The only issue which I found over here is that the tents are placed besides each other pretty close, and there are lots of camping sites besides each other. Though the service was pretty fast and apt. As the night progresses, the temperature gets down and you could feel the coolness, and also there is a problem with the mosquitoes, so do carry mosquito repellent with you. There are only 2 washrooms for 20 tents, and that is not the right ratio. Also the washrooms are not maintained, so a humble request to the organizers, do maintain the washrooms and do increase the numbers. So after lovely dinner, lovely campfire and a music, we retreat into our tents for a good sleep. So here it is lovely morning. I've just woken up. It's 6:15 a.m. in the morning and it's an awesome ambience. It's pretty cold, little bit of shivering. sunrise is yet to happen. So I'm going to showcase you how is the natural environment over here. So it was a very good experience at Pauna Lake campsite, and I'm going to share the details of regarding the campsite booking in the description box. Do check it out. And if you are liking this video, do click on the like button, share your comments in the comments box, and if you haven't subscribed our channel till date, do subscribe it. So this is the tent where we lived in. This is the first opening. You need to open this. This acts as a protection. Once you open it, you could see a mesh kind of a thing which gives you proper light and air inside the tent. Once you open the zip, you get into the tent. You are provided with the mattress and necessary linen, and it's a comfortable tent for 2 people. So this is the tent we stayed last night. Pretty comfortable tent. Only issue was it was pretty cold early in the morning. So the schedule over here is like you need to check in by 4 p.m. They serve you tea or coffee along with some snacks, and then you roam around, play activities such as badminton, chess, carom, or if you have a group, you can play cricket too in a group. Roam around besides the lake, take lot of selfies and photo shoots. Then between 8 to 9 they serve barbecue, both in veg and non-veg, and later on from 10 they start their dinner. So between 10 to 11:30 they serve dinner, and after 11:30 they provide the campfire. A small campfire, not a huge one, but still it was very cold, and the campfire did provide the warmness which was needed at that particular time. And then people play the music, dance on it, and it lasts till 2:30. Actual time they had showcased 12, but still people exceeds those time limit. So we are heading towards another campsite. The campsite belongs to the same person who owns this particular site, and we'll check it out what else it has got. So we have arrived at Secret View campsite, and it's really a very nice ambience over here. We started from Lakeside campsite. From there it is hardly 10 minutes of drive, but this is very secluded place, very good environment over here, and you will definitely love it if you are going to arrive over here with family or as a couple. A decent place. Come on guys, what are you doing? Aren't you following me on Instagram? Follow me at @Mr. J the Explorer. Do check out my post and my reels. You will definitely like it. So let's start the exploration of Secret View campsite. So from there we come over here, we park our cars here. A small space for parking. And this is the approach road too was not as bad as the approach road of Lakeview campsite. This particular campsite has lots of tree cover, and also the toilet to tent ratio is appropriate, and most importantly the washrooms were pretty clean. So now Mr. J is going to do the kayaking. He has wore the safety jacket, and Mr. Yogesh is there also. Mr. Yogesh, come on. The kayak provided over here are not the professional kayaks. Yes, but a decent one to ride upon.
So these propeller blades should be on the curved side. If it is like this, then the boat will go on the back side.
Yes, the boat goes on the back side. Okay.
And if you want to move forward, these blades has to be
On the back side.
back side. So you can continue.
We are moving literally fast. Wow. Mr. Yogesh is, by the way, marine engineer, so he has the experience.
Guys, if you want to turn the boat, then this left side you have to just row it so that you will move to the right side. And if you want to move to the left side, then this blade, then you have to do left side, then we will move to the right, vice versa.
Okay, that was a nice tutorial. Let me check. Can I do it? So how was that tutorial? Enjoyed? Lake View campsite is situated on the backdrop of Pauna Lake Reservoir, and it's a huge lake. It's pretty huge. Woof. It's so huge that you can't capture it in one lens. You need to roam around. You need to scroll your eyes everywhere to gauge the full vista of the backwater. And the secret lake viewpoint is located on another lake. It is not the Pauna lake, but it is another lake, comparatively a very small lake. And you are not allowed to access the Pauna dam. So yeah, do not try to go over there. Though the gates are open, there are security personnel sitting over there which restrict you for further going around. Pauna Lake site, and it was a decent ambience over there, but as the night grew, the crowd was started coming over there with lot of noise, lot of music playing around. There are camping sites adjoining each other, densely populated camping sites. At night time it was pretty chaotic and I couldn't get a proper sleep over there, and that's why I was not that much satisfied with that particular location for doing the camping. But as a bachelor, if you want to have that kind of ambience where you could have together blast and dance on the floor with music going on in the background till late night, then that is the venue for you. Because I love this secret view site which we proceeded today in the morning, and I loved it so much that I missed it, that I should have camped over here. So for me, this is the place where I need to get out of the hustle and bustle of the city life I need a break into the nature within the tent and overlooking the lake view. So this is the site which gives me that particular aroma, that particular option to choose. And let us see, if next time I come with my family members, I will definitely come over here and stay at Secret Lake View. So if you are that kind of a person who wants to enjoy at a calm place, get out of the city life and enjoy with your family and your partner, then Secret Lake View Camp is for you. So at this venue we also had a good kayaking experience. It was a new experience for us for the first time, and it was worth a while. The only glitch was that from Secret Lake viewpoint, it is about 15 minutes walk, approximately 1 kilometer walk. Going to the lake was pretty easy, but climbing up was difficult after doing the kayaking, that too. So overall, if you like the journey to reaching the Pauna Lake campsite, exploring the Pauna Lake campsite, exploring the sunset, viewing the sunrise, all the ambience, if you have liked the kayaking experience, then surely do click the like button, share as much as you can, and until now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe it. All the details regarding the camping site and the description about the same, about the tariff, what is the checking time, what are the things been offered at the camping site, has been explained into the description box. Do check it out and do share your comments in the comment box section. So until next exploration from Mr. J, the YouTube channel, take care, bye bye, see you soon.
Thank you.